This is Little Joker, Auto Broker, and today we're going to talk about how to save thousands of dollars on a used vehicle. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So, let's get started. Now, my 14 years of experience has taught me how to buy a rebuilt title. There's a lot of stigma out there. People are scared of rebuilt titles, but the bottom line is you do your research correctly and you know what you're getting yourself into, then you can save thousands of dollars when you buy that rebuilt title. Now, all you have to do is you put the 17 VIN digit into Google. The VIN only, don't skip any spaces, okay? And then put the VIN number in there. What'll happen is, if the car has been sold, like this one got sold, it got wrecked, and then it got sold at an insurance auto auction. They sell a lot of wrecked, rebuilt vehicles. It's called IAA, they're nationwide. So what happens in this situation here, the exact VIN number shows that it was sold at an auction. So this particular VIN number was sold at the insurance auto auction. Now it clearly shows the images. When you put in the VIN number, you have to scroll until you can find the VIN number matching. Sometimes it'll let you go in for free if it's insurance auto auction. Other sites try to charge you. Do not go into the one that charges you when you can pull it up for free. This is the bid facts and it shows you. Now it clearly shows you why this title was rebuilt. The damage was on the driver's side, on the rear door and on the driver's door, and it's been repaired. What happens is when the car gets wrecked, it has to be repaired, and then it has to pass a DMV inspection. So if this car retails for about $12,000, you can buy it from anywhere from about $5,000 to $7,000 is your target. And you already know that the car hasn't had substantial damage to the front end of the vehicle. That's where you have to be careful with it. So that's the easiest way to look up the rebuilt title. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take it a step further on the rebuilt title. You want to get into your Google and you want to type in Florida VIN check. You go to the top, which is the DMV site. Now you're gonna put in the VIN number, and then you're gonna pull up. Okay, so on this particular one, this gives you all the information that you need to know. The most important is what they call a branded title. It shows that it was a rebuilt title in July of 2022. So the vehicle has been repaired correctly to the DMV standards. There's the VIN number, there's the year, the make, the model, the title number, what kind of car it is. It shows that it has a paper title. You want to look at the title print date, which this was on 2021. It shows that it has a paper title. What happens sometimes is if somebody gets a duplicate title, it'll say title type, duplicate title. That means the original paper title is no longer valid because it has a duplicate title. This is an example of a rebuilt title that I purchased from an auction. Now, if you look, the registered owner was Westlake Financial. They were the largest second-tier car lender in the U.S. until they went out of business. Now, this was something that I had bought from an auction that had a rebuilt title, and I did my due diligence on it and found out that it was only wrecked on the side. So basically, there's the VIN number. That's what you use to find it. All the information is here. The title print date is also right here, and then the date of issue is underneath it. It also shows the odometer reading in actual miles on 8/16 of 2023. If you see where it says primary brand, it shows that it's a rebuilt title. If it says primary brand and it's left blank, that means that it does not have a rebuilt title and that it is a clean Florida title. So that's what you want to look for on the title itself. If you have any questions on vehicles, how to buy, how to inspect, or anything else like that, please put it on the comments below, and also make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel.